Hello, welcome to Lemoworld Online Trade Show.
Hello, welcome to Lemoworld Online Trade Show.
Hello, welcome to Lemoworld Online Trade Show.
Hello guys, welcome to Lemoworld Online Trade Show.
Hello, welcome to Lemoworld Online Trade Show.
Hello, this is Monica. Welcome to the third floor. In this floor, this is our staff office, including purchasing department, personnel department, and the PMC department. In this place, this is our showroom. Mostly there is many products, including Aroma, Diffuser, Humidifier, and mini fans, and so on. But they are decorating now, so I can't show you more products. We can show you another time. This is our engineer room. We have ID, structure, electronic testing engineer, and let's have a look about this engineer. He is working for a big arts, and maybe we can show you more secrets, and I don't want to disturb him. This is our reliability testing number, and in this number we have a standard for the temperature and the humidity. Let's check the humidity and temperature now. This is 26 degree and 52. It's okay. In this number, we will show you the testing, and mostly we will test two kinds of products. One is before the mass production, we will take a sample in this number to check the functional features, like the LED light mist amount, and so on. Through this testing, we can verify the functional features. If it's not okay, we will explain with our engineer. Secondly, we also test our mass production, like these products. It already worked over 5,000 hours, and there is no change in the PP material because that is anti-corrosion material. Here is our warehouse for mass production before the shipment. As to each order, we have a special label for each model, and this is a special area. It's about 1,000 square meters. Here is our warehouse for battery and battery products. As to each material, we have a special label for them so that we can find it very easy. And as for our battery products, like this is our nebulizing diffuser with battery. In this place, we have a request for the temperature and the humidity. Look at this. All of our products suitable those standards. In this house, we also have a special equipment like this monitor and the fire extinguisher box and the fire-resistant wall and door.
Hi guys, let me show you our important lab now. For this lab, here are many important machines for testing the finished products. For this machine, this is a humidity and temperature test machine. We will put several same products into this machine, operating at 0 degree for 4 hours and another 60 degree for another 4 hours. And we will do a storage testing at minus 20 degree for 72 hours and 60 degree for 72 hours. If we check, it is aimed to check the products have any cracks, deformation, or other problems. After this test, we will take out these products into a normal environment. After the test, if the products still can work properly, and we will not send these products to our customer because we have to do the destructive test. Okay, now let's see the simulates liberation of transportation test machine. For this machine, it will work 200 rounds multiplied by 13 minutes. Now let me show you how to work it. You can see it will to 240, but for this box, it's still good. Okay, that is. Okay, let's see the wire bending test machine. For this machine, it will test the cable for 2,000 times with 200 grams. With an angle, it is 60 degree. After this testing, but our cable still good.
We've turned to the second floor now. Here is a warehouse to store the incoming raw materials pending to inspection. It is a bit small now, so we plan to expand it in the near future. Let's turn to the next one. Here is our warehouse office. Follow me. Here is our IQC department. We inspect the incoming materials like transducer, PCBA board, fan, adapter, package, etc. And our main processes are like this. We take the raw materials from the warehouse we just saw, and we inspect them based on the level 2 AQL standard 1.0. Let's take a look at the AQL document. Here, for example, if we get 1,000 pieces material, according to level 2, the cross is J. Then we look at J. Okay, then we need to take 80 pieces from the 1,000 pieces to check. And according to standard 1.0, if there are 2 or below 2 pieces are defective, then okay, we can accept these materials. But if there were 3 pieces defective, then we cannot accept it. Our inspector will write a report to the quality department. Then we transfer these materials to the defective goods warehouse. Finally, our purchasing department will return these materials to the supplier. Here is our QC staff checking the voltage, current, functions about the PCB board. And you can see he wears the static ring to protect the board. Well, here he is checking the appearance of the plastic component. This wall is about our quality report, like AD report. If the goods come with problems, we'll record the problems, symptoms, causes, and solutions in this report. And we also have the standard list for our suppliers. Here you can see some cabinets. There are all component samples with signatures confirmed by the customers. Let's take a look. We keep the samples here in order to produce the same goods for customers to meet the customer's requirements. And do you know why the glass is dark? 2 reasons. One is the customized product is confidential, so we can't show them in the public. Second one is we prevent these products exposed to the light. And in this part, let's turn to this part. In this part, it is a simple aging area. We just do some simple aging tests here for some materials. And we have the huge aging test machine in the production line. We'll show you later. Just now we check the materials right. And if the materials is okay, we'll input the data in the ERP system, then transfer the materials to this warehouse. For every kind of material, we'll have the clear label. We have a warehouse for PCBA board, same as a battery warehouse. We have requesting temperature and humidity. Now it is 22 degrees centigrade and 70% for the humidity. And let's see the standard. Standard is the temperature should be between 4 to 29 degrees centigrade, while the humidity is about 25% to 70%. So it is good, no problem. And our PCB boards are packed in these special boxes. All these boxes are again static. Would you like to know how we print the logo? You have no choice, I'll tell you. Here is our laser machine. Before we print the logo, we need to input the logo text into the computer and adjust the product in the proper position to cover it. Now he's covering the logo. Yeah, and let's take a look. Here is Max Gen site. Everything is very clear. And here is our first sample and report. Let's take a comparison. You see, this is the first sample, and this is the one we just cut now. It is the same. If you customize the logo, we'll print the first sample and confirm with the customer. After that, we'll go on the printing. And do you notice the operator wearing the special glasses? This is protective glasses against laser light.
Hi, I'm Dex. Today I'm so happy in here to introduce our production lines. In our factory we have 5 production lines, and today I will introduce our production process. In the first, we'll prepare the first sample in the corner. This is the first sample put in here, and our worker will check it and based on the first sample to do it. This lady is putting the transducer into the light position. And in the opposite side, the lady will install the mini fan into the base. This machine is our automatic screw machine. Before it, we will adjust the machine with the proper force, because each suction diffuser is different. And then we will put the screw in the machine at once, and then we put the diffuser in the fixed position to be screwed. It is better for the air test tightness for the diffuser. This is a station, it's for the air tightness station. The air will blow into the diffuser, and it will show the value. When check the value is okay, the product quality is okay. If any leak or defect, the machine will be alarmed. And let me take a sample for the NG product. Now the machine is alarmed. And then we'll go to next step. For now, here next station is for main board installing. They locked the base with the screws. The master wear the storage ring to protect the PCB board. In the assembly line end, we have a worker to test the production function, ALDI light and the mist, and check the product voltage. And then after finish this test, the diffuser will go to the next step. For now, we are going to the agent test. The lady will add the water into the diffuser. That it is automatical agent test machine. Before it, we will program how much water to be added according to the different water tank. We will do 100% the product agent test for the diffuser. The test will go in 2 rounds, 1 hour for each round. I let the camera take the inside. In the agent test end, the lady will take out the cover and clean the water and put the diffuser into the outer box. I'm gonna introduce our packaging lines. This line is for the product package. Before our package, we will do the final test about the product functions. This lady is tested the product functions and check the voltage and check the diffuser mist. And then after we test, and we will pack the goods into the color box. Our capacity for the packaging line is about 5,000 pieces per day. This is our automatic packaging machine. The carton will put in the machine and we will pack it automatically. It can really improve the efficiency. Next, I'm going to introduce our QA department. Our QA department is check the product quality in the mass production. Our QC will take out the sample from the mass production and will check the production test and including the functions, LED light and voltage. The check is based on our finished product standard.
Guys, now we are transferring to the first floor. For this floor, it is the injection department. As you can see your surrounding, this surrounding we keep our material in this sheet. And we have 11 injection molding. Our injection is for the plastic components like the water tank, cover lid or housing and so on. And we have the different with the injection moldings and the different in tones machine for different size of the components. Now let me show you our material. Come here. You can see this is our refresh PP material. We will not use the reused material for our products because we need to keep our products quality. And for this machine, let's see how does it work. Material will absorb into the hopper. Okay. Come here. into this tooling machine because we need to reshape it. And we can see the screen. Our engineering have adjusted this operator. When the tooling comes out, the arm carriers will come in to pick it up. Then put them into the conveyor belt. In this side, here is a QC to check the product's color, quality, appearance, and do a simple assembly. And we will put it to this box and send them to the second floor for assembling the products. And you can see this is the smallest one and the biggest one in that way. That is 200 tons. And we have the biggest one in here. That is 418 tons. And in these two sides, we keep our molds in this way. And in our daily life, here are many things need to mold, such as microphones, glasses, and so on. Okay, let's see the biggest guy. For this mold, it is for the humidifiers products because that is a big capacity. So we need to wave the machine to make it. And you can see this is a 4 liters water tank. It is made by this machine. Hello guys, now we are arriving our molding room. As you can see, here are several molds here. In our factory, here are more than 100 molds. So we keep all the molds here. It is well convenient for us to produce the plastic parts and repair the toolings. We can do some simple repairing by ourselves. Okay, thank you.